Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So while you're new to my channel, so please subscribe my channel. Here is the details about the channels. Okay. So this course is going for AWS Zero to Hero course. Okay. So let me talk about today topic is cloud formation. Okay. So for cloud formation, how we can use it, what is the cloud formation, and what are the topics we are going to talk about. Okay. So if you're able to see, these are all the three topics we are going to talk about. Okay, so let's come to the official documentation. What exactly that cloud formation? If you are able to see, cloud formation is a infrastructure as a tool. Okay, so if you are able to see it below, so scale your infrastructure worldwide and manage resource across all AWS account and regions through a single operation. Okay, so this is going to be infrastructure as a tool. Okay, and how it is working. So you need to write down the code and you need to upload to the Amazon S3 bucket or wherever, and you are going to create a cloud formation. Then we are getting output. Okay. So if you're able to see it, there is all the features. It is available. If you have any questions and partner details, resource, how to get started, pricing details, features. So everything it is available here. Okay. So you can just go through the theoretical details. Okay. Let's jump into the topic. Okay, so let's go to the cloud formation. So I'm going to cloud formation. So as of now, so we'll test it how to create a cloud formation. Okay, so let's create a stack. Okay, if you're able to see, there is a three stages are there or templates. So you can use it, template is ready, or if you wanted to use a existing template sample, that is also possible. If you wanted to use a create a template in the designer also, it is possible. Okay, so how to use it? Okay, for example, template is ready means, so you can write it the code, you can upload it, or you can use a S3 bucket to store the code also. From there also you can use it. Okay, if you come to the use template. Okay, so you need to use the sample templates here. So it is already available here. Okay, next we'll go for the create template. Okay, so if you're able to see how we can use it. Okay, so let's open it in the new tab. Okay, so how do we use it? Okay, so here only it is showing use the AWS cloud formation designer to graphically design your stack in and a simple drag and drop interface to design automatically updates your validates the template JSON or YAML file. Okay. So what you need to do if you wanted to build any EC2 machine. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to just drag and drop it. Okay. So that it will create it. For example, instance. Okay. If you want instance, then keep here. Okay. Internet gateway. Okay. What else you required? So net gateway. Okay. So you can design it. So all the code automatically it will come here. Okay. Using that you can just prepare it. Okay, you can just save the code here. You can you can save it and you can upload it. Okay, so this is a one way you can able to use it. Okay, so let's come to the user template. Okay, right now I'm going to use a lamp stack. So this is a one simple one. I'm going to take it. So let me use it. Okay, so I'll be just mentioning it as a my database. Okay, so I'll use it by default common for all the flags here. I do not want to use any complicated details, names or other things. So you need to just make it as a next so that it is going to create a lamp stack. Okay. So what are the things it is there available in the lamp stack? Okay. So if you're able to see it, okay, lamp stack means okay, single EC2 instance and local MySQL database, it is going to store it. And if you come down here, Apache Web Server, PHP, MySQL, everything it is available in the EC2 machine. So that is going to install it. Okay. So let's see that is it EC2 machine created in the background or not. Okay, if you come to down here, so the instance is up and running as of now. Okay, let's come to here. So this is going to be completed. Okay, till that we need to wait. Okay. So once it is completed, okay, let's see that how we can able to see the output. Okay, till that let's refresh it. So till that, what we can do, we'll just open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, maybe it takes another 2 to 3 minutes. So in the meantime, what I can show it here. So if you're able to see it in the stack, a stack ID and the description, okay, what is the status? These are a lot of details or it is available in the stack information. If you come to the events, it will show us that what are the resource it is created. Okay, if you're able to see, create is completed. Okay, complete. That means what are the resources it is created? It is user is initiated. Okay, it is created a web security group, web server, then my database. That means we have initiated, right? That is on. Okay, if you come to the resource, what are the resource it is created? Web server and security group. In the output, we can able to see that what is output we can able to see. Let's see. So parameter, we have passed all the parameters here. Okay. So this is how our template it is there. So you need to write down your own code like this only. Okay. So change set and get sync. Okay, get sync is a new introduced. Change set we'll talk about later. Okay, so the create is it is created. Okay, sample. Okay, let's see it here also. So let's see the output here. Okay, so there is output URL, right? Okay, so if we click it, it will come to here only. So this is our simple LAMP stack file. Okay, that means simple LAMP stack servers. Okay, so server details, everything it is there here. Okay, and it is giving the output. Okay, so that is simple one. Okay, so how to delete the resource? If I delete a resource, okay, the stack, what is it is going to happen? So if you are deleted, the all the resource it is going to delete it. If you're able to see it in the background also, this is going to be terminated. Are you able to see? As of now, it is shutting down. Okay, so it will take some time to delete all these resource. Okay, let's create a one more stacks. Okay, so this time what we are going to do, we are going to create a S3 bucket. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, we have used simple sample template. Now we are going to use it. Template is a day. Later we can use it. Create template. How we can able to use it. Okay. Now there is a three option. Okay. So we can use it Amazon S3 bucket also or upload a template. So now I'm going to upload it. Okay. So I'm going to upload the code here. Okay. So what is there in the code? Let me explain it here. Okay. If you come to here, so I have written it here. Okay. So the resources I mentioned. This is my new my S3 bucket. Okay. This is my bucket. Okay. So this is the template, standard template. Okay. From here, you need to write it down what resource you are going to create it. Okay. All the syntax it is available in the CloudFormation official documentation. Okay. So let's open it. Let's create it. Okay. So I'll just mention it as a S3 bucket. So this is for the stack name. Okay. So let's create it here. Let's go to the S3 bucket. Okay. So let it be there. Let me go to the S3 bucket. So, so if you're able to see, so my bucket name it is created. Okay. If you're able to see it here, what is my bucket name here? This is the bucket name. Okay. So the same name it is available. So this is how we can able to create the resource using the CloudFormation. Okay. And let's create a one more stack. Okay. This is claim created. So let's delete it. I do not want resources. Okay, let's create a one more stack also. That is same example. I'm going to use it S3, sorry, VPC. So how to create a VPC? Okay. So I've already written a YAML file, sorry, JSON format. Okay. So you need to just execute it, and that is going to be created. Okay. So let me go to the VPC section here. Okay. If we are come down here, VPC. So what is my VPC name? VPC from here, CM, right? So let me come to here. Just come to your VPC. Okay. So it is already created. Okay. The name. Okay. And we are already mentioned here also the slider range also. Okay. And here description also we have mentioned it. Okay. So this is how we can able to create a VPC also. Okay. So again, if you wanted to delete the resource, okay, you need to, if you are deleted, unfortunately, then your resource will be deleted. Okay. So make sure that before deleting, just verify it, or we need to do the some restriction to delete it. So nobody should not delete it. Okay. That is also possible via IAM. Okay. Then let's talk about, so we have seen it S3 and VPC. Let's talk about EC2. Okay. So let's create a one more stack. So I'm going to create a EC2 machine. Okay. So let me select EC2 section here. Okay. So I'm going to just log in. Yeah. Upload and EC2. Next. Okay. Just I'll mention it as a anything. I'll type it EC2 instance. Okay. So from here, okay, you need to select it anyone. Okay. And slider range, I'm going to select the test. Okay. So where all it is coming from? It is coming from the in the YAML file. Okay. Let me show it to you. Okay. So once it is done, okay. So let's submit it. Let's go to the EC2 section here. Okay. So in the meantime, let's talk about EC2 JSON format. So if you're able to see, this is my JSON file. Okay. So this is going to create a subnet range, web, web subnet range, DB subnet range. Okay. And it is going to create a our VPC. Okay. And it is going to create a subnet. And this is for the DB subnet. And this is for my EC2 instance. So here all the things I mentioned here. Okay. What is keep here everything. Okay. If you are able to see, I have not mentioned any key name, but I have selected here. Okay. So this is all related JSON format. This is creating a EC2. Okay. Okay. Let's come to here. So if there is any error, we'll get to know it is going to here. So it is going to create all the details. Okay. So the creation is completed. Let's go back to here. Okay. It is created here. Okay. So this is all about today's topic. Okay. And tomorrow I'm going to talk about WordPress configurations. Okay. So let's find out for today's session. Okay. We'll catch up tomorrow. Till that, bye bye. See you.